2 ramps. What's better than one idiot on YouTube? 2 idiots on YouTube. So we got the bashers, man's got the trolley, we got 2 ramps. So
XRT, Diavero, DR8,
Gorgon.
send them to the moon.
Here comes Miles off the kicker. Oh, no, off the straight one. Tumble wumble, let's get him some footage. Don't run very often, guys. So, thought of a plan. We are going to 4S the Gorgon, because it's a good, durable platform, but it just needs that little bit more power, I think. So we're going to 4S it and see what happens. Right, we got Mario now from Rombom RC. He's got the traxxas E-Revo 6S. Seems to have some issues already. Maybe he's broken it already. Has he broken it already? He's broken it already. One jump and that priceless traxxas is broken. Nice, Miles. Alright, he's going for it. Oh, hard landing here, man. Hard landing. Miles is going flat out off the kicker. Shocking landing, but it's on its wheels. Let's just have a quick mid-run check of this Gorgon. Have we got a banana body yet, Miles? I can't stop him. Where is it? Oh yeah, there we are. Look at the state of that. It really is a pain, this body, guys. I heated that up last night as well with a heat gun, bent it all back. The body is all shoe-gooed, but it's just so thin. Mario wrecking his XRT again. There we are, we're good to go, Miles. Send it. We'll get a new body for it anyway, just don't be shy. Miles is just lining up for another one off the kicker. We just put the little Insta360 go-to camera on the top, so hopefully we can get some good onboard footage. Here he comes. So we've had a couple of people asking us in messages what onboard cameras we're using. It's just this Insta360 go-to. Tiny little cameras like the size of my thumb. Smaller than my thumb. It comes with loads of little carries and whatnot, but that's just sticky on the top, and then you can put it wherever you want. Go send it again, Miles. These are the joys of rolling your car all the way down the end of the field, look, guys. Here he comes. The run of shame. What are you doing, Miles?
Putting a 3S in.
It's a 2S car.
But I'm going to change it, so it's alright.
Who gave you that battery? Are you paying for the damage, man?
I'll pay for the damage.
Right, we got that on camera now. Well, it's on.
It's okay.
It's making funny noises. But...
Oh, it's going to make more than that, mate. It's never made those noises before.
It thinks that I have like 10 cells right now.
Does it even go?
No. Take the cover off. Give me a look. I'm sure.
It's blown up already.